Okay. Yeah, it's worthwhile.
Yeah, we're not quite to noon yet, and we'll try different sun angles.
I got green.
Dan, Tani's inspection there under cover 13 of trundle bearing assembly number 1, indicating that it looks very clean, but you saw a very good view of the mottled and
have a go for 18.
Contaminated outboard race ring in that area.
You don't see a piece of tape anywhere there, do you, Dan?
Yeah, I've kind of been looking. No, not yet. That's a good. I need to take a second to look in there.
Okay, I'm picking up my tether off 15.
Oh, I've got a great view of the inboard inner surface straight through the ring, or straight through the barge. This is probably the better way to do this. This light. I'm trying to get a view of it.
Looks like there's some debris on the datum A right in front of you. Can you characterize that?
Yeah, it looks like a little pile of debris. Actually, now that I'm almost flat with datum A, I can see a couple of flakes sticking straight out, like almost perpendicular. One's at a, I don't know, 45-degree angle. But I'll bet that if I just brush my finger across it, it'll just flake off. But yeah, there's a little buildup. I'm going to try to get a picture through here because I think that would be the best way to document what's going on with the inner ring, inner candid of the outer ring.
I got a couple shots, so I don't know, it's hard to tell if it came out.
Right.
Okay, cover 18, Joe, just to verify.
Yeah, I'm glad you asked. Lots of talk here, and we're going to wave you off of 18 and send you to number 2. Just continue nadir up over to face 1 and do cover number 2.
Okay.
Dan, Tani on the left, Peggy Whitson on the right, coordinating with spacecraft communicator Tom Marshburn here in Mission Control.
At this time also, and that identifies where we are.
Okay.
Cover number 2, the next target of interest for Peggy Whitson, houses trundle bearing assembly number 7.
Were you able ever, Dan, to see the inner ring?
You mean the inner surface?
Yes.
The inner camp? No, I was trying to get a picture of that. So I still will try to get a picture of that because I think it's a good opportunity here.
Yeah, you might try one shot with the camera right up next to the bull gear and get a decent exposure on the inside. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yeah. I was also going to try the flash.
Okay, cover 2, Joe, right?
Yes, ma'am. Cover 2. Sorry for the confusion. We're running out of time here. But there is no rush. You guys are doing a good pace. Keep it up, and we just want to take a look in an area we haven't seen much yet.
Okay. Lock bag is concealed.
What's going on there? Oh, with the flash on, it doesn't focus on the square. Oh, yeah. Guess.
This is Mission Control Houston approaching the 5-hour mark in today's spacewalk. A good view of Peggy Whitson as she works at another set of the double covers at the Solar Alpha rotary joint. You can see on the right side of your screen the mast canister for the S4 solar arrays. At the base of that, the beta gimbal assembly was the target of inspection interest for Whitson and Tani at the start of today's spacewalk, as they investigated and demated connectors, electrical connectors, for the beta gimbal assembly that pivots or tilts the face of the solar array to track the sun, as the solar alpha rotary joint, when operating normally, rotates like a Ferris wheel to automatically follow the sun in daylight and darkness. So far, no smoking gun for the beta gimbal assembly, and what may have caused 3 simultaneous electrical circuit breaker trips 10 days ago, that's still under analysis. And this excellent view of the modeled surface of the outboard race ring on the SARJ, or the solar alpha rotary joint.
The outer ring, and it is not damaged. It's clean. I can see it all the way around. I can see a good, I don't know, 60, 80 degrees of the ring, and it looks clean.
Excellent words, Dan. Thank you very much.
Nice, clean surface. Oh, and while I'm here, there's tape.
Although not evident from this helmet camera view, Tani reporting that he can see about 80 degrees in his field of vision where the outboard race ring is in fact clean. Another good data point for the engineers.
Full. It's nice lighting.
Yeah, it looked like you got some pictures in there too, didn't you?
Well, I tried. It's a wing and a prayer there, because I couldn't see through the viewfinder, but I just pointed it in there and let Nikon do all the work there.
Okay, we're going to take one tape sample, location of your choice on the outer canted surface.
Okay. It's tape number 9.
Peggy, you look like you're doing well. How many bolts you got now?
I got two to go.
Okay.